AmePower is more than a manufacturing service provider. We are a dedicated partner in making your design a reality with over 20 years of experience, specializing in adaptable contract manufacturing that pairs superior quality and a deep commitment to local U.S. production.
The fact is, we're making it in America, we're building in America, and we're using American products. We see it here at Florida's Small Business Week winner, AmePower. We designed high-power energy converters to help fuel our shift to a clean energy future.
The fact that we have been in business already for 20 years, it means a big advantage for any company coming from overseas or expanding here in the US, because we have the know-how already on how to deal with this type of technology, and we are able to adapt to small batches or large volumes. We are able to scale down or scale up.
Our flexibility is unmatched. Our track record of delivering products ahead of schedule is a result of our manufacturing excellence. How long does it take to start mass production? Just weeks.
We are very good at looking at an item, understanding its needs, its requirements, what kind of environmental standards it must meet, and finding alternative components, alternative designs. We think of ourselves as a partner with OEMs so we can improve the design or make it more robust.
We uphold the highest standards to each product with multiple ISO certifications, DBE, MBE, and SBE certified.
There are different industries that we conduct. However, we have specialized more on high power electronics, 10 kilowatts and up, and especially on the megawatts.
We proudly support local and international industries to thrive in the USA and comply with Buy America standards.
Buy America compliance means that most of the source of the products need to be sourced here in the United States, but it also need to be tested, it also need to be assembled here in the United States in order to make sure that the product complies with Buy America.
Our dedicated team ensures timely, budgeted project delivery exceeding client satisfaction. From procurement to shipping and even after-sales support, we offer a variety of value-added services that cater to our customers' diverse needs for amplified mass production in a wide variety of industries. Unleash manufacturing excellence with AmePower and turn your design vision into reality right here in the USA.